In nature's vast and complex world, a secret language speaks to us through patterns, shapes, and structures. From the intricate designs of a snowflake to the rhythmic spirals of a seashell, the beauty and harmony of nature's creations have fascinated scientists and artists alike for centuries. Behind these mesmerizing forms lies a profound connection to mathematics. Join us on this journey as we explore the captivating ways mathematics underpins the patterns and structures we see in nature in the Philippines. Let us now look into one of the indigenous animals in the country, the flying dragon lizard, which inhabits the dense forest of the Philippines and other parts of Southeast Asia. The flying dragon lizards have adopted flight capabilities. Through evolution, they have developed a set of elongated ribs that can act as wings when expanded. The flaps of skin behind their gliders have prints called Turing patterns, which are present in most reptiles. Alan Turing discovered this in 1952, presented in his equations where interactions among the reptile cells on a microscopic level. We can also note that the patterns on its flaps have symmetrical characteristics. Now, let us check out the striking structure of the anahaw leaf, the country's national leaf. The anahaw leaf displays symmetrical proportions and a radial fan-shaped pattern. This mathematical concept is called symmetry. It is characterized by the unchanging appearance of an object, even if it is flipped around an axis, or what's called the line of symmetry of the object. Finally, one of the Philippine floras is waling-waling, with scientific name Vanda sanderiana. This orchid is known as the Queen of Philippine Flowers because of its magnificent form and variety. It is often used for orchid hybridization. The Fibonacci sequence aided this orchid in achieving its exquisite form. Orchids consist of 5 petals, 2 at the side and 3 at the center. Its leaves also display the golden ratio, which makes orchids one of the most beautiful plants in the world. Truly, nature is a marvel. By incorporating mathematical concepts, nature produces magnificent patterns and structures considering living organisms' functionality and effectiveness. Mathematics supports organisms to thrive in their natural environment. The natural world is a treasure trove of mathematical wonders waiting to be discovered. This may be the end of our journey together, but surely you will be able to recognize simple patterns in your daily life with nature.